Why is it important to set goals? Well, because nothing gets done unless you identify what it is you need to do. And basically, that's what goal setting is. First, decide what you need to do, then write it down. For example, I need to finish writing this report by Friday. Second, break down your goals into smaller steps. To write that report, break out your calendar and assign a time. Then think of the first step and write that down as specifically as you can. At 2 p.m. tomorrow, I will 1. Research my topic for 1 hour. 2. Write down my conclusions for 15 minutes. And 3. Write a summary directed at my audience. Third, tell someone what you are doing and set a deliverable deadline. This keeps you accountable. Hi boss, I'm working on my report and I will get it to you by Friday. Then rinse and repeat. But seriously, keep moving ahead, planning your next steps. And finally, when you reach your goal, make sure you celebrate and reinforce what you have accomplished.